Wetzel. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improver, easy intermediate level line dance. It has 1 tag on the end of wall 2 and 1 restart after 16 counts on wall 6. So let's turn around and learn stuck in the middle. Section 1, everybody's gonna start on your left foot. We're gonna cross rock our right over our left, rock, recover, step to the side. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna make a quarter turn. So we're gonna cross rock our left over our right, recover, make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to 9 o'clock. We're gonna shuffle forward with our right foot to 9 o'clock, shuffling right together, right. Then we're gonna do a mambo quarter turn. So we're gonna rock forward, recover, stepping left foot to the side, making a quarter turn to 6 o'clock. That's the first 8. Let's try it to some counts. Cross rock. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, facing 6 o'clock, we're gonna rock our right foot forward, side, and do a sailor step. These forward and side rocks are syncopated, so you wanna do them nice and quick. So we're gonna step that right foot forward, recover on your left, step your right foot side, recover. Now do a right sailor step going back, out, out. Now we're gonna do a slow sailor step. Stepping our left foot behind, right out, left out. To end that section, you're gonna swivel both toes in, both heels in, putting your weight onto your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. Forward rock, 1 and 2 and sailor, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3 starts facing 6 o'clock, your weight's on your left foot. We're gonna do a right mambo step, so you're gonna rock that right foot forward, recover, step back. Now we're going to do a weave, making a quarter turn over our right shoulder. So you're gonna step your left foot back, right foot to the side, making a quarter turn, cross your left over your right. We're going to do hops to the right and the left, so you're gonna hop that right foot to the side, touch your left, and you're gonna bump that left hip up and down. We're gonna do the same thing to the left, so step, hop to the left, touch your right, bump your right hip up and down. Let's try that with some counts. Mambo forward, so rock it, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Our final section, we're facing 9 o'clock right now. Your weight is on your left foot. We're gonna cross our right over our left. You're gonna make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot. So now we're back to facing 12 o'clock. We're gonna quickly step onto this right foot and then do a left crossing shuffle, cross and cross. We're gonna do a half turning hinge turn. So we're gonna step back and make a quarter turn with the right. You're now facing 9. We're gonna make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side. Okay, we're gonna end this dance by doing hip bumps. You can do them however you want. It's sassy, you have time to go down, go up, change heights, whatever feels good for you. But the basic is swinging your hips to the right, then the left. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's do the last section with some counts. Then we'll go on and do the whole front wall with the counts and the steps. And then we'll practice 2 walls in a row. After that, I will teach you the tag. It's very basic, the same as the first 8, pretty much, with just a little bit extra, but it's not bad, I promise. All right, cross it over. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. Let's do 1 wall with steps and then with counts before we practice both. Section 1, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, cross rock side, cross rock side, cross rock quarter turn, shuffle forward, mambo quarter turn, forward rock, side rock, sailor step, back, out, out, toes, heels, mambo step, behind quarter cross and hop in hips and hop in hips, cross, back ball, cross and cross, quarter, quarter, hip, hip. All right, let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, cross rock. It's 1 and 2, 3 and quarter, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start all over again. All right, let's do the front and back walls in a row because those are the only walls that we have to worry about. I'm going to do the front wall with steps and the back wall with counts, and then we'll learn the tag. So let's do it with steps, cross rock side. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross rock side. Cross rock quarter turn, forward shuffle, mambo quarter turn. Forward rock, side rock, sailor step, back, out, toes, heels. Mambo step, behind quarter cross, and hop and hips, and hop and hips. Cross, back, ball, cross, and cross. Quarter, quarter, hip, cross, rock. 1 and 2, 3 and quarter, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 2 walls in a row. At the end of wall 2, we have our tag, our one and only time that we have to do it, okay? So we'll be here, we just did our hip, hip. Our tag is 8 counts. We're going to do those cross rocks like we start the dance, but we're not gonna make a quarter turn. So we're gonna cross rock our right over our left, cross rock side. We're gonna do the same exact thing with the left, cross rock side. Now we're gonna do a jazz box with a stomp. So cross our right over our left, step your left foot back, right to the side, and you're gonna stomp your left foot next to your right, taking weight, and that is your whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. Cross rock side. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next walls, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do the tag. That's 3, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 is our back wall. So on the back wall, we're gonna do 16 counts, which will bring us to our tag, okay? So we completed the tag before wall 3. We're gonna pretend that we did a couple walls. We're now on wall 6 facing the back wall. Let's practice that 16 counts, okay? So we're gonna cross rock side. It's cross rock side, cross rock quarter turn, shuffle forward, mambo quarter turn. Forward rock, side rock, sailor step, back, out, toes, heels, and this is going to be your restart, and you would go into your cross rock side, cross rock quarter turn. That is all of Stuck in the Middle, and I hope this tutorial helps you learn so you can dance it with everybody else out on the floor. And once you practice it and you're able to get it, you can follow along with the demos attached. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.